Then after that, you focus on, you are going to find the deflection at point D. Okay, so how do you find deflection at point D? So you just draw point D. So I remember you have a beam. So this is your point A, point B, point C, point D. Point B you have a load up, point C you have the load down. Now we know that dy is going up. Nothing to do with redundant. Why? It's because the structure is free to what? Tilt. If it's not free to tilt, it's different. Okay, it's free to tilt. So from here, you can use the hangman now, right? So you find your deflection at point D. But before you find your deflection at point D, the question asks you to find the stress at where? At AB. So you find the stress at this. So you use the hangman section. It's so straightforward. Yes or no? Right? And then after that, you find your deflection at point D. Then after that, you will use the other section. You look at the other section, the one with two different cross-sectional area. One like this, and you have here, right? Same thing. You have a force coming down. Now you know that your EY is coming downwards. Look at here, right? Then you find your deflection at point where? At point E. So once you know your deflection at point D at point E, right? You know the tilt will be in this way, right? So this is your point D prime. This is your E prime, okay? All you need to now do is find deflection of point H. That's it. Okay? So when you're asked to do your correction, follow this procedure. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one, I gave you, is it an I-beam? Yes or no? Right, it was an I-beam. Part one of the question, part A is when you have Vy. Part B is when you have Vz. Okay? So the thing I'll focus on, let's say we look at part A. Part A is you have to find your shear stress is equal to Vy over Izz Qz divide by what? T. When I mark a lot of time, what a group of, I think your form study group, yes or no? I think one group always make a common mistake. Okay? And I realized that. The Izz, you take the whole structure. You don't divide into half. I never teach you to divide this into half. The only thing you divide into half is your first moment of area, not the what? Second moment of area. Okay? So for Izz, so this is our ZZ, this is our width, and this is our depth. Okay? You no need to find where your centroid is because based on symmetry, you know that this is your centroid, right? The green line I draw is your centroid. Yes? Right? So then you can immediately do your what? First moment of your second moment of area. Okay, so this is for Izz. Izz. This is the width and this is the depth. For part B, the shear stress is equal to Vz over Iyy now. Qy divided by what? T. So now I do the same thing. Now let me draw on the other side. Okay. So now this is what? We want to find what? Yy now. So now this is our what? Width. And this is your depth. Again, you know exactly where your centroid is based on observation. Okay. So just a bit of hint. For this case, right? Tau max is at the centroid. Okay. For this case, now, for this case, this is the thickness now, yes or no? Right? This is your thickness because this is your what? Vz. And then this is your thickness now. Okay? So for this case, tau max is not equal to your tau at the centroid. Because look at this thickness over here. The thickness is so big. This area, the thickness is what? Smaller. Okay? So that is your solution. This is just a procedure. I will strongly encourage you to do what? Look at your solution, start correcting. Yes. Yeah, you can do anything that you want. Anything that make you happy, I'm happy. Okay? If that's the case, so where did the 0.98? Several 0.98 is from here. We found it. Okay, 0.98. Okay, I'm going to stop lecturing now. Okay, again, you will know your results on Monday. Okay, I will give you until Saturday to correct, to submit your solution. Okay, I'll give you to Saturday night time. Okay, yes.
What solution?
Yeah. Yeah. I will set up an avenue to learn. Yes, someone has question?
What solution is that?
I can't hear you. Can you repeat?
I'm saying what solution is the assignment?
Say it again.
The assignment solution?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No. I just say yes, no, I understand you. What do you say?
I'm saying you're saying to set up the Saturday night to submit your solution. You talk about the assignment, right?
So are you talking about
The
solution for the midterm again?
I'm talking about the term test.
So we can submit it again,
Yeah.
and
if
then
you
you can.
fail, I will let you know. If you pass, you no need to submit again. Why I let you submit again when you pass, you cheeky sort.
Okay.
Only people that fail.
Okay. So when we can know like, who is failed or who is not?
Monday you will know, and so you will know on Monday whether you have to resubmit.
Okay.
I will open on Avenue to learn where to submit. You look for it in your quiz. Okay? I'll post the question, the same question. You do it again. Okay? Then the deadline is Saturday, 2359. The best mark you get is 50%. Because some student, the best now is 10%. Okay? I cannot pass you just 50%. You could help yourself. Okay?
Okay. So just like one question, whatever you told in the last VZ. So when we find the maximum stress, do we have to take 2 T's, like 2 into 2 thickness?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome to Jamaica and bye-bye.
Jamaica.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Anyone have question online? I'm still here.
I have a question on question number 1. Will you
question number 1? What question number 1 from what?
From the test.
No, I cannot answer question number 1 on the test.
Okay.
You cheeky sort.
Hey, Eugene, scroll up.
Scroll up?
Scroll up,
Yeah.
sir.
Don't worry, I will post the video. It's recorded. Okay?
Okay.
So I will also post this. Okay? I don't hide information. You are my student. I cannot hide. I'm not like a Chinese Kung Fu master that I don't teach you everything because I scared you kill me, you know? I teach you everything.
Yes, sir. And sir, so if someone has to submit the test again, so they have to submit both questions or just second?
Some 1 question, some 2 questions.
Okay, so you will let us know who will have to.
I will let you know. Okay, it's very easy. So I put your student number, question 1, or student number, question 1 and 2, or student number, question 2. Okay.
Okay.
Not to worry. Everything is peaceful. You know when you should panic. You should panic when I panic. I don't panic yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Eugene.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the test 2 is not gonna be curveballs.
Say it again.
The in-person test.
What about the test?
The in-person test.
Yeah, in-person test will be at McMaster in term test 2.
But no curveballs.
Know what? Hello? No what? You gone quiet.
Curveballs.
No
No
curveballs.
curveball.
80% straightforward, 20% very curved. Hello?
Okay,
What do
got
you
it.
mean curveballs? This is so straightforward, especially question number 2. Any more straight? You cheeky sort. Now, who has questions?
Sir, I think
Yep.
we need a little more time, you know, sir? I'm good.
Huh? Hello?
More time.
2.5
More time.
hours.
We need time to review, sir.
Yeah, you need time to review. So I try to find time to review, but I always do tutorial, right, Andre?
No, I mean review the question we did to make sure it's done properly. You know, made a mistake, you double check. You know.
How do you mean? Review your term test, you mean?
No. Double check your answers when you finish the test. I feel like the time's a little bit tight on that.
Usually 2.5 hours for 2 questions is enough time. Usually, okay. When this was face to face, I give 3 questions in 2.5 hours. But face to face, I'll still give you two questions, 2.5 hours. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we talk about term test 2 later on, okay? Maybe I give you 3 hours. How's that?
Yeah.
Okay, later on then we discuss, see where you are, and also see how you perform in your quizzes, okay?
Do we have a quiz for this week?
Yes, you have a quiz this week. I'm going to post the homework. You have a quiz. Quiz is back, okay? Guess who's back? Quiz is back.
I feel good.
Okay, bye-bye. I will end the meeting, okay? Now, who has a question? Your hand is still up. I'm still waiting for your question. Stavro, what is your question, please? Maybe Stavro got no question. Can you talk to me? Don't worry, I'll post everything, okay? I'll see you guys then. I'm going to end the meeting because I have another term test to give in another 20 minutes, okay? I will upload this by 1 o'clock, I hope. Okay? Okay, if that's the case, those of you are online, take care. I'll see you guys then.
Thank you so much, Eugene.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Zeus, I remember you, man. You cheeky sort, man, Zeus.